Wow. What a great scenery, Lord. Wow. It's so great. Wow, the bus flying. Could you notice that I have a little fear because we got off-road just minutes ago, you know? Wow, すげえ. It's insanely beautiful. And the corner is really good as well. So this is a totally the greatest road I ever with my XSR. See the corner coming. Okay. Really great pass. And there are the mountains. I was going over so far. And see, there's a creek. I sure. And Mount Fuji again. Anyway, this is the greatest scenery I've ever seen. For sure. For sure. I don't mind. This is insanely oxide board, you know. And I think it's really good for Jimny. Okay, let's get back. I always do my training for this, just for this. Get the back by our bikes with my power. Great. A steep corner. Steep corner goes on. We can do this. I know we can do this. And the spider's nest. I got the spider's nest. It was so dangerous. And we got green colored grasses around here, so it means it's gonna be warmer. Woo! It was surprising. I was so glad to get into the corner of the corner. Anyway, I can afford to talk in English such in the condition like this. I think all riders can't talk in ride just in your country's language, but I can't because I trained so much in Tokyo's condition. Here's no condition, right? So it's a little easy than Tokyo's condition. Tokyo's ride is a little right easier. Kind of is some attacking ride. What the hell? What the hell? What the hell door is here? So many bumps and it's crazy. And we got totally the bottom of the mountains cause we saw the river that shows it's the bottom. Water can't go up just with their power. And it's totally off-road. And the pavement road is coming. Wow, slip! It was so dangerous. We got slipped. It's gonna be safe, cause I think the tires got so cold with off-road. So alright, we almost got the base of the mountain, and the human town, human society is almost there. This is all of this video for my mountain ride.